Is it time to buy or sell Star Energy stock? In this video, we will explore Star Energy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June in the year 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of June in the year 2025, our system has ranked Star Energy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 144.61% since we first recommended purchasing Star Energy 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 13.15% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current broken trend, which is $251.75. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a potential upswing. According to fan theory, $305.96 will be the next possible peak for the trend, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Our latest daily update for Star Energy highlights significant fluctuations in the stock price. On Monday, the stock concluded trading at $263.45. Star Energy Corp's stock price increased by 9.64% on the most recent trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. This rise marked an increase from $240.28 to $263.45. Remarkably, it has experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 28.60%, ranging from a daily low of $232.48 to a daily high of $298.98. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has surged by 144.61% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price on the last day, which is a favorable technical indicator. Specifically, 6 million more shares were exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 97 million shares changed hands for an approximate value of $25.48 billion. Examining the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its peak price at $298.98, while the lowest price recorded was $92.95. Currently, the price stands 11.88%, or $35.53, below the 52-week high of $298.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding CRCL Internet Group, trading under the ticker CRCL, are driving significant interest in its stock. As of today, shares surged nearly 8%, peaking at 24%, bolstered by positive market sentiments. A major catalyst for this rally is CRCL's strategic partnership with Fiserv, which promises to integrate stablecoin technology into mainstream financial services. This collaboration positions CRCL to effectively leverage its USDC infrastructure alongside Fiserv's extensive banking capabilities, aiming for efficient and cost-effective stablecoin payments. Additionally, CRCL's stock is benefiting from bullish forecasts regarding Bitcoin, with indications that the United States could expand its strategic Bitcoin reserve. This potential shift could enhance overall market confidence in crypto-related assets, thus positively influencing CRCL's valuation. However, it's worth noting that growth investor Cathie Wood has trimmed her stake in Circle after a remarkable rally, raising questions about whether this move could impact investor sentiment. Despite this, Circle's recent performance, characterized by an 8-fold gain since its initial public offering, suggests strong market momentum. In the short term, the combination of strategic partnerships and positive regulatory developments can propel CRCL stock higher, attracting both institutional and retail investors. Long term, if Circle continues to innovate and capitalize on regulatory clarity while managing costs, it could solidify its position in the rapidly evolving fintech landscape, potentially leading to sustained stock appreciation. The following signals have been identified for Star Energy. The Star Energy Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provides a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support will be found at $177.66 and $153.61. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 12, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 147.28%. Additional gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Pivots indicate a buy signal from a week ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 10 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a sell signal from 10 days ago as well. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Star Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $240.28 and $199.59. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases as a drop below the support at $199.59 could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $66.50 between its high and low, which represents a 28.6% change. For the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 22.62%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Star Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Star Energy encounters its first support level at 240.28. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Shuangxi Capital Ltd., who bought and sold 17,263,143 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 97.604. Overall, insiders purchased 28,988,390 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $254.97, representing a decline of 3.22%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, indicating a low level of risk. However, the 14-day relative strength index is at 89, which significantly increases the risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 6 days ago. Is Star Energy stock a good buy? Star Energy Corporation holds several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we anticipate Star Energy will open higher by $1.52, starting at $264.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.